What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new Soundcore Life Q35 wireless noise canceling over the ear headphones. Now, thank you, Soundcore, for reaching out to me and sending these out to check out. And man, from the looks of it, I mean, look at this. I mean, it's noise canceling, it's over the ear, 40-hour playtime, fast pairing, 5-minute charge, and they're comparing these to things like the Sony WF-1000 XM4s. I have the XM3s, but it's going to be pretty much a killer, I guess you can say flagship headphone killer for a very good price at $129. So if you're looking for over-the-ear headphones on a budget with good wireless noise canceling, fast pairing, fast charging, high-res audio, and all that stuff, guys, Life Q35, definitely check them out. So let's check out what's in the box. All right. So it's always great to know that Anchor is definitely working with Soundcore, and Soundcore, remember, is by Anchor, but they got some really good products. They got some awesome products. The Liberty 2 Pros are one of my favorite. But here we go. So here is the box. As you can see, transport. I wish we can, go on planes and whatnot and travel again. Anyway, so let's get this guy open. All right, so far, I mean, the experiences. Wow. All right. Okay, wait, let's put that aside. All right, so we get some paperwork. How do we sound? All right. Yeah, we don't need any of that. This is, wow, it feels like it's got this really nice texture to it. I like how they have the Soundcore logo printed it on it. It's, wow, it feels like this, I guess you can say, a little bit of leather, but it's nice and comfortable to hold in the hand, definitely. So let's get this open. And all right, so first let's check these guys out. Wow. All right, so here they are, and I can already get that smell, the scent from here. Wow, these are actually really, first impressions, dude. That blue is super nice, and touch for transparency, NFC, hold with your Android phone. All right, this is looking good, and I like how the ear cups inside, left and right. That it just clearly shows that really easily. Some headphones don't do that. It is USB-C, which is always a plus. Noise canceling right here. Volume up and volume down, and then the pause play. It's good that they have physical buttons here. Sometimes I don't like using, touch and tap and all that stuff, but first impressions, I like this. It's nice and comfortable and sturdy. And wow, there you go. So let's put that aside real quick. And okay, they even have it imprinted inside the case to show how you're going to place it back in. All right, and then let's check what we got here. Probably just a USB-C cable and a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Here we go. We got the audio jack. We got the USB-C cable right here. What do we have right here? Oh, guys, if you're traveling, this comes in super clutch. This also came with the Sony, with my XM3s. So for those who, companies who ship this out, these converters, good job. Thank you. This, this really does mean a lot. All right, but let's actually take a look at these headphones. So I'm going to get these started up. All right, so turn them on. Let's see how this is gonna work. So, I wonder if my NFC is turned on. Let's check there real quick. NFC. It is not turned on. There we go. Now let's try. There we go. Yes. All right, so we're pairing. And that's it. It's paired. It is paired, and let's open the Soundcore app. All right, so agree. Forget that. Forget the Liberty 2 Pros. My devices. Live series. Looks like they haven't added them as of right now because they are still brand new, but it does work with the Soundcore app, so do know that you're going to get extra features and extra experience with the Soundcore app. So do remember that this is your companion app as you're using these headphones. Alrighty guys, so here, that was my quick unboxing of the Soundcore Q35 over-ear wireless noise canceling headphones. Man, this blue color is just, at first, I was like, nothing can beat my Sony's, and I'm gonna have to go more in depth. But look guys, this for 130 bucks, you can't go wrong. Fast charging, amazing sound, high-res audio, super comfortable as well, and that's what I look for in over-ear headphones. As long as they're comfortable, I'm not looking for like super duper amazing audio, at least for me. But for those who really do have an interest in audio, you won't have any issue with these Soundcore Q35s. Like I said, 130 bucks. They really are something to consider. Soundcore has been doing a great job in their audio product lineup, so definitely be sure to check them out. I will leave a link down in the description below. Well, if you guys did enjoy this quick video, definitely be sure to comment down below, and best of all, turn on the bell notifications and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it does help out the channel a lot and will push my videos out to more viewers. Thank you all so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.